Alright, we're recording, and this right here is the start of the cockpit. I have Tim on call with me. And
hello.
Yep, there he is. Might be a little quiet. So yeah, this is the start. Not much, but as you can tell, we've been doing a lot of work for this very simple looking thing. Oh, I forgot to screen share, didn't I? Yep. There you go.
I can't see what you're doing.
Yeah, I forgot to screen share. Say hello to our our Discord server right here. Woo! Oh. Alright, I'm live. So yeah, this is it. As you can tell, we have one chair already done. Not done, but started at least. We need another one up here. And then this is where all the controls are gonna go. We're gonna have to add another one. We're basically gonna have to do this times 2, which hopefully we'll get done by tonight. And maybe later we might work on the livery a little bit, because we need that. And yeah,
we could just release it without the livery.
Oh yeah, just plain gray. So yeah, I think we should get started with this. So I think we'll work on this section later, and we're gonna start work on the front.
We should get the basics of the front done before we start getting into the seriousness of the back.
True. So honestly, we've done it once, and we can do it again. And yeah, we don't have any lighting in here. Alright, so let's get started. Yeah, alright, so we are in the cockpit view. This is still early. We're gonna take a look around right now. We got the chair. If I were to press tab, what would that look like? Alright, you can see everything a lot easier. We are in the chair. This would be the basic sight.
I think the camera's a little too far down.
I don't know. It's just the way it is. And we will have controls right here. And hopefully we can have like live cockpit with all like the dials and stuff.
We should be. I can easily. Well, not easily, but I can do that.
Alright, good. We might need to take a little bit longer taking a look at all the actual cockpit stuff in this picture, which there's a lot. We can't put all of it in there. We have like only like 5, but we'll do our best. And then
got about 5 or 6 instruments that we.
And don't forget.
Rest we can make.
We need the yoke. I think that's considered a yoke. And then the pedals. I don't know.
Yeah, those are easy though.
Alright, so I think we'd have to model those like we did with the cockpit. So yeah, this is a look around, and take a look at that.
This is how you can tell that we haven't actually talked about this.
Yeah, this is all just
before we actually started recording.
Yes. don't ask what's going on with this chair right here.
We're trying to fix that.
Eh,
Why?
I mean, it wouldn't matter if
Might leave it.
yeah, it wouldn't matter if we did fix it, because, I mean, you're going to be in the front seat, which means if you look back, you won't see all this. This part of the cockpit.
We could try and add a second cockpit camera for the back seat.
That would be interesting. But, I mean, if we did
try.
that, we'd have to, like, make the back one as realistic as possible. Like, make it...
No, they wouldn't be able to see past the back.
Wouldn't it be cool if they had, like, you can share, like, what's it called? Like, I think X-Plane has it already, but where you could, like, share a cockpit, like, you can have a co-pilot and a pilot. That would be a cool function, so that way we could open up the second one and the first one. And, yeah, we're gonna have to add color, too. So we got...
That's gonna come way later, though.
Yeah, way later. Speaking of...
Don't expect color on the model for at least another month.
And speaking of color, I think we should take a break from this and work on the livery. Oh.
The actual model.
What? Oh yeah, I guess we do have a few quick things we can work on the model right now. I think we should get to that. Yeah, let's mess around with the model a little bit. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, recording. Alright, we're back to this, and let's take a look at things that we know we need to work on. Number one, these engines. Like, the front of the engine is nice and all, but the back is kind of a little problem, and I think it's like that with all of them.
Is a problem, yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
definitely.
Oh, we're in the engine. Whoops. And, so yeah, we're gonna... I think I'll just do what they did with my model, and make them go in a little bit, and then just stop. So, I'll figure out a way to do that, I guess. Oh, we're inside the plane. Say hello. Woo! So we're going to do that to all 4 engines. Why is that in my face? And then, I mean, we could add the guns back here. I don't know. I'd say we should. And then, of course, we need to close off this little hole right here, which I think I could just do right now. Let me try. Edit mode. There we go. Oh, darn it selects the ones in the back. See, I don't... So, this is what, modeling is like right here. This is a glimpse in modeling. No, we're not even speeding it up. Did we select something back there? I think we selected something back there. No, that's just the center. Well, at least it's shiny. Yes, modeling takes forever. Don't sign up for modeling unless you are patient. No wonder everybody goes for livery designing roles. All you get to do is draw. Alright, now that we did that, I think we could press S. I may have created a black hole. Honestly, I don't know what is going on here. Let's just tab out. Oh my god. Oh my... Let's take a... What happened? What did I do?
What did you do?
I created a fan. Alright, let's go ahead and undo that. Now see, I would select like everything right here. But then it gets stuff over. Actually, that's not that big of a deal. I could have just deselected it, right? So now I have everything I need selected, which then I press S and close off. Then what are these? Deselect all of this again. We're not hyperlapsing anyway. Yet anyway, this is a look. Oh, actually, did that work? I think that helped. That looks questionable, but I mean, it works.
It looks worse, to be honest.
No,
It
actually,
looks like a pen.
actually, I think we should do that.
Okay, wait.
I mean, we have to add something to the front anyway. There's this one thing on the front that needs to be added. Wait, did I fix it?
Me of something.
What did I do? What did I do? I think I fixed it.
Larry, you remember that picture I sent you a long time ago?
I don't remember.
Let me try and find it in DMs. I'm probably gonna be scrolling up for us. Oh wow.
Oh god, I gotta undo, 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 and I think we're back. Alright, we got nowhere. Now, big shout out to Air France, hold on, I gotta find his name, it's long. Air France. No. Air France 267286. He did the cockpit right there. Oh, hold on, is it actually translucent? Nope, not yet. He did the canopy at least, not the cockpit. I did the cockpit. He did the canopy. He helped with the wheels and the engines. So he basically did all these functional pieces. I did the basic aircraft piece. So big shout out to him. And for the sake of everyone watching, I will just go ahead and cut to hyperlapse, so you don't have to go through any more of this. Whew. Alright, so now we... Oh. Alright, now we are in GIMP, which is my version of Photoshop that I use. It's free. And we're basically going to trace over this to create our livery. And we've got the B-47 right here. I'm just going to trace all of the thing we need for the livery. Not the wings, we don't need the wings or engines. Those are separate. So we just need the fuselage piece. And so let's get working.
What did I see first you playing? What did I see then you saying? That queer melody.
Here we got everyone in chat, half of which is muted.
I'm gonna go do something else.
Alright, yeah.
See you later.
See you later. Yeah, I don't know of anything else we can work on tonight. I think we did everything. I mean, Rusky's wanting me to help with his A350. I mean, I'll help with that. I don't know how much I could actually do, but it'd be worth a try.